everyone. My name is Keith Sanders. We're here to find the ShadowVebolten64 tales. Their body, James Marshall, the three little pigs, then of a event, but how the body long came the hungry wolf of a event. This about that before the death of Father me. The finally something's for that thinking twice. Then but the stories about to begin. The body of Bartley said the show was very fair to fatten her. Oh, definitely found the sis. He is but lazy. Then he is the father. But it's very funny. And he is the smart. Then the smart but fan. The funny play. The funny face. Once upon a time, there was an old sound, the three little pig. We had to keep them and seeking out to save their fortune. No, we're right. Then remember that I love you. The little pigs of Ben. They would have to before the death of the Ben. They would have that bit of straw. But then about me, it's very fantasy. They said that's not a good idea. Mind your business, thank you. Shh, he's the lazy pig. A straw house the bottom of my place. It took in no time at all. This is all very fluffy and straw. Very soon, a lean, hungry wolf happened by. Pig is just the favorite food in the world. Oh, it was thing to happen. The gray wolf of a den. He was married for the wolf. He's married the wolf and her wife. They found a knock at the door. Let me come in. No, not gonna hear my chin. But the wolf is said very angry. It didn't happen. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. Go right ahead, dude. So the wolf huffed and puffed and blew the house in. He ate up the little pigs. Then the lazy pig, he's dead. And body for death. And the body. Then the lazy pig, they die. The second little pig butted the twig of the bed. This one the funny part, like, look at that. Does he get the funny of the colors in our pants something? But funny. Then he bought the fun plane. The plane. I got it! I have built a house. Build a house to stick. I think twice about that. Oh pooh! What should you know? But the to stick. That's but to build a house with him. Oh, it's very tough with that stick. But the twig with twig. That'll be for the Ben. Ben abundantly. He was about the brain says. They had no brain, nobody. He was nervous all like the Ben. Ben. Yeah. So the wolf for the Ben. He was still hungry. Little pig, let me come in. No, not a hand. Foolish. That killed that with all. I'll pop and I'll blow your house in. But laughed the pig. He was so funny, but nervous. Where the brains are! Oh! But the wolf huffed and puffed and blew the house in. He ate up the second little pig. He found the second little pig. He's dying. His second little pig is dead. Now the third little pig. He bought the load of brick. These brick were the 5 sturdy house. He was fatty. His bad brick is all the stronger. He's a smart little pig for that. He built it for the brick house to let it fit. But it fit. That third little pig to the family. But by the place, but his parents, he's funny the thing. He's body family. For one thing the family, he was unfunny. He fed. Then be family. Then but the mom and dad to funny before for the wolf are the twins. For born, but the twins but born. For brown and black. Soon the bat, but the fences said the wolf, it said gray, and then about ten and the wife, who had no habit baby anymore. We said, little page, let me come in. No, not by the hand of my teeth. Before they had that before them, then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. Oh, no, don't do that. He's a smart little pig. But the wolf huffed and puffed and huffed and puffed. Then he could not blow the house into the bricks. It was too heavy. He turned blue in the face. The third little pig, he's not dead. He's not died. Then the father thing. Then the bosses course then. The father thing. But the wolf at that he fits the turnips. He what's event happened. He was about bad things event. It's the fact that then. It was 6 o'clock. The next morning, the smart little pig, he would pick up for these turnips for the play. He was violently. But then the wall came the wolf, the father bed. Sorry, I couldn't find it then. Then, but then the wolf is very angry. They fought in the face. They were about the murder that married it for the apples. For the family. But the 6 o'clock just that the morning. Then the next morning, but the smart little pig, he would climb up the tree for the apples. Then the body, the saw the wolf in the bed. Then he threw it to the bottom of his bed. He found him back. They jumped to the smart little pig that all the way home. The next day, the wolf came again. Then the fat soon little pig was a bed. The father thing. A little pig. There was a fair and one it was bed. A bed. Russell's. It is. I'll make this shit kill. I'll make them at 2. Then the bunny. The smart little pig went to the fair for the thing. Then the father bet it they were bed. But did something to shook out to have the wolf that saw the wolf for that. The smart little pig, he trampled on the butter churns. He rolled down the hill to split it. He picked Betty the thing. Yet he had so much, he ran home for the bed of bed. He fed the scare all the way home. That evening, the wolf is a little fat. They started the little pig so funny. Then it father their fin. The smart little pig said, "Why did you did I? That great round thing with the butter germs, and I went inside." The wolf is a reflecting thing. "I have enough. I'm going to eat you right now." And they climbed up the roof. The smart little pig put the pot. They put the other pot for the fireplace. He stole the fire. He looked the fireplace. He said about little pigs of that. He popped out the fire for them. Oh look! I found a book that says, here's one for the fireplace. But the fireplace. This says, how to cook the wolf. See that? That's about that. If it sounds bad, it's terrible. There's a big, huge pots of fireplace of that. But the wolf is about it. Here I come! Dinner time! He got it chopped in a chimney. They go down the bed, they splash. You can't say that again. The little pig cooked the mean old wolf. Then gobbled it up. That the mean old wolf, he's dying. He's but the wolf, the mean old wolf, he's dead. But the wolf, his husband, he's dying. Tell about the wolf is our wife. He's for the sad tears. Then what happened for then? And very soon the butterfly, the two wolves. But the two body between the sides were brown and black. What the color for then? These were twins. But the wolf is a mother is dying. But then, very soon then, the gray and white wolf, the gray white wolf is taking her the baby black wolf then. He was in 1933. Then father is Bunnyvan is the then twice and then he was then the father's a wolf is. There's been a baby boy, the baby wolf and brown. He was a bunny then. His name's Hank. It was a 2014 for the band. But didn't say about that. But says it was the day. Well, that's all the time today. See you.